dear students. I hope you are doing well. Today in this video lesson, we are going to learn a new topic from writing section. But before I start that topic, I want to share one picture with you. Okay? So now look at this picture. Okay. So, my dear student, what have you noticed? Yes, when somebody gives us something or helps us, so we feel glad. And what do we say in return? Yes, we say thank you. Now my question is from you. Why do we say thanks? So we say thanks because it shows our appreciation and conveys our gratitude. It is also a sign of respect to the person who has helped us. And you know what? It is also an indication that we don't take them for granted. And one more thing I want to tell you, that there are many ways to say thanks. Okay, but handwritten thank you note is the most heartfelt way to show the gratitude. Okay, so do you know how to write thank you note? Don't you? Okay, so today we will learn how to write thank you note. So what is our topic? Yes, thank you note. So my dear students, first of all, I'll make you understand the format, okay? How to write thank you note to any person. So here I start. So my dear students, now we are going to learn the format of thank you note. Okay, so here I start. So first step is to make a box. So this is how you have to make a box by leaving equal margin from all sides. Okay, now what is the next step? Yes, it is to write heading. So where we have to write heading? Yes, in the middle of the box like this. So if you are writing a thank you note, then you have to write thank you note. Okay, it will be your heading. Okay, now what is the next step? Yes, the next step is to write date. And below the heading on the left side, we will write date. So my dear students, I would love to tell you that you always have to write current date and full date. Okay. Now in the same line, after leaving some space below the heading on the right side, you have to write yes day. If it is Monday, then you will write Monday. Suppose if it is Tuesday, then you will write Tuesday. Now we are going to discuss the next step. So next step is to write salutation. Okay, so do you know the meaning of salutation? Okay, I'll make you understand. So salutation means to greet somebody. Okay, so I'm going to give you some example. Suppose if you are writing a thank you note to your mother, then you will write like this, thank dear mom. Okay, and if you are writing thank you note to your father, then you will write like this, dear father. And in case of, okay, if you are writing to your friend, then you will write dear followed by the name of your friend. And suppose if you are writing thank you note to your teacher, can you guess what will you write? Yes, you will write like this, respected madam or ma'am. Okay, I hope all these points are clear. Now come to the next and the most important part, that is the content. What does it mean? Yes, it means to convey the message. Okay, the message you want to convey. Okay, so it has different parts. So what is the first part? Yes, so in the very first line you have to write thank you very much. Okay, so say thanks is the first step. Okay, so how will you develop this line? Yes, you will say thank you very much. Okay, now how will you develop the second line? Okay, here I am going to give you hint. So second point is, so you have to mention the reason. Okay, so that means why are you saying thanks? Okay, suppose your teacher, okay, she has appointed you the class monitor. Okay, so you want to write thank you note. So how will you write? Can you develop the first two lines? Yes, you can. In the very first line, you will write thank you very much, and you will mention the reason for making me the class monitor. I hope it is clear. Now next step. Okay, you have to add specific details. Okay, now what does it mean? Now if suppose any duty is given to you, then you will say that I will perform my duties with great sincerities, or you can add any other line like I will maintain the discipline in the class or anything else. Okay, now it depends upon you. Now next part is you have to restate your thanks. Okay, the fourth point, restate your thanks. Now it means you have to say thanks again. So how will you develop this line? So you have to develop this line like this. Thanks once again. Okay, last but not least. So you will end with the thank you note with regard. Okay, and with your regard. Okay, so my dear student, if you are writing thank you note to your seniors, so you have to end the thank you note like this with regard, and below this you have to write your name. Okay, so I hope the format is very much clear to you. So my dear students, I am going to discuss with you one example. Okay, suppose your class teacher has appointed you the class monitor. Now you're very happy and you want to write a thank you note. So let's see how to write it. So do you remember the steps? Yes. What is the first step? Yes, first of all we have to make a box like this. And in the middle of the box we have to write heading, that is thank you note. And all the letters should be written in capital. And below the heading, this side, that is left side, you have to write the date and always write the correct date. And in the same line, after leaving margin, below the heading, you have to write the date. Okay, now what is the next step? Yes, we have to write the salutation. Now you are writing a thank you note to your class teacher. So how will you greet your teacher? By writing respected madam or respected ma'am. Okay, so respected ma'am. So this is a shortened form of madam. So while writing this, you have to insert apostrophe s. Okay. So now after that, beta, comes to the most important part, that is the body. That is the content, the message you want to convey. Okay, now there are different steps. First of all, you have to say thank you like this. Thank you very much. Now after that, you have to mention the reason. Okay, why you are writing thank you note like this? For making me the class monitor. So next part, what you have to do? You have to add details. So here you can add one or two lines like I promise I shall perform my duties well. Okay, so you also can add one or two lines like I will maintain discipline in the class. Okay, depends upon you. Now what next? So you have to restate your thanks like this. Thanks once again. Now you have to end the thank you note. So if you are writing a thank you note to your seniors, so you will end like this, regards, and you will write your name here. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Now do practice and we'll meet you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye.